Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn about factors. Here we will learn what are the factors of a number. Let us consider number 6. To find factors, write all the pairs of numbers which will give 6 after multiplying with each other. For number 6, the pairs will be 1 into 6 is 6, 2 into 3 is 6. There are no other pairs for this. Only 1 into 6 will give you 6 or 2 into 3 will give you 6. Consider this first pair. 1 into 6 is equals to 6. It means 6 is divisible by 1 and 6. Now we consider second pair, that is 2 into 3 is equals to 6. It means 6 is divisible by 2 and 3. Considering these two pairs, it means 6 is divisible by 1, 2, 3 and 6. Factor is a number which divides a given number exactly. It means the remainder will be 0. Or you can also say that factors or numbers when multiplied will get given number. There are few things you need to understand about factors. Point number 1 is number 1 is factor of all numbers. When number 1 is multiplied by any given number, it gives you a given number. So, number 1 is always a factor. Now, the second point is every number is a factor of itself. If you multiply any number by 1, it will give you the exact same number. X in this case is a given number. This means every number is a factor of itself. Point number 3. Factor of any number is always less than or equals to given number. For example, if you consider number 8, 2 into 4, 2 into 2, 2 into 1, that means 8 has factors 1, 2, 4 and 8. Here you can see all these three numbers are less than 8 and this is equals to 8. So, complete factors are either less than or equals to given number. Another example is 15. So 15 factors are 3 5s and then 3 into 1, 5 into 1. That makes 15 factors are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Here you can see all these three are less than 15 and this one is equals to 15. So the factors are either less than or equals to given number. Now the fourth point is every number other than 1 has at least 2 factors. What are those factors? Number 1 and the number itself. Any number multiplied by 1 will give you the given number. So, in this case, 1 is a factor and the number itself is a factor. This is true for any number. Now, we will see one example and we will find the factors of number 40. Let's see. What are the pairs here? 1 into 40 equals to 40. Or 2 into 20 will also give you 40. Or 4 into 10 will also give you 40. And last one is 8 into 5 will give you 40. Let's see what are the factors here. 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, and the last one is 40. These are the factors of number 40. I hope this video is helpful. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.